everybody, hi! So today I'm going to I've been wanting to do a green makeup look for a while. I don't know why, but it's just been, I love spring and I like green. So I've just been wanting to do it. So I have the ColourPop Rainbow collection. I think it's called Rainbow Me, I don't remember, but I just know it's a rainbow collection. And I love all these greens in this palette. And they also had a Super Shock shadow. This green is super pretty. I'll swatch some of the greens for you. So these are all the swatches in my fingers from the ColourPop collection. So what I think I'm gonna do first is, I already did my face makeup or like my foundation and I prepped my eyes. And I wanna just dive right into this lime-ish green color and put that all over my lid. It's kind of nice that I swatched them here so I can kind of compare what I want. So instead, I took my XJamesCharles or Morphe xJamesCharles palette, and there's this other green right here. It's a little darker than the one in the ColourPop one, so I'm just going to take some of that color and go in to the crease. Blend that out. So now what I think I'm going to do is this Super Shock and go over my lid with them. I'm going to take that first lime color, extend it out. And I'm going to take the XJamesCharles color, go back over underneath. So now I'm going to take this shimmery color and that will be my inner corner. So it's looking real green. And I'm just going to do the rest of my face makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, so I added some eyeliner, lashes. If I wanted to, I have these yellow green gem and I can add those here because I really like gems. I don't know what it is. This is the finished eye look. I think it's cool, dude. Super green, love it. Anyhow, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for more. If there's anything that you want to see, definitely comment below because I would love to see any suggestions and try them out if so. So yeah, bye.